So guys, here you can see my more videos we came with the Python, and in today's Python video I'm telling you about the powerful slices in Python. So if you don't know what a powerful slice in Python, so see the video start to and then the whole concept will be clear about it. What are powerful slices in Python, and please hit the like button, share friend and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also. So you never miss a future later videos. So without wasting any time, let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's Python video, I'm telling you about the powerful slices. If you don't know what are powerful slices, so in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it. So let's get started. First is basic slicing. Python lists tuples and string sequences allow slicing with start ratio, stop ratio, step syntax. If omitted start default is to 0, stop is the length of a sequence and steps is 1. Like this is one Python code. Let me copy this code. Let me come on my Visual Studio Code. Let me create a new window. Let me go on file, new file, index.py. I'm making one my file in document by the name of index.py. Now, when I paste this code, now let me show you how to write this code. First of all, you write my, then list, then equals to, then 0, then comma, then 1 comma, then 2 comma, 3 comma, 4 comma, then 5 comma, then 6. Then you write print here, then when you write here print, then you write my then list, and then you write here 1:5. And then you write in the comment, you write output should be in the bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So it give you the output 1 2 3 4. Okay, let me show you. First of all, erase this and now save it, and then it should give me 1 2 3 4. Let me show you why it will give me 1 2 3 4, because I say 1:5 means give me 1 till 5. Okay, so that's why if I say give me 1 till 6, so it give me 1 till 5. Okay, it give me the output should be 1 2 3 4 5. Let me show you. Here you can see it. If I say give me 0 till 3, so it give me 0 till 3. Let me show you. Sorry, 0 till 2. It give me 0 till 2. Here you can see it like that. Number 2, negative index slicing. I know I have already told you that all thing, but I say let's make the one more video and let's give him topic like powerful slices. You can use navigate indices to start counting from the end. Like this one example. Let me copy this example and paste it. Now let me write the code. For write the code, first of all you write my list. Then in the square bracket you write like 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma and then 6. Then you write here print. In the print you write like my, then ratio, then like that, and then -5 ratio -1. So then output, it give me the output should be 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. It give me this type of output. Let me show you. Why it give me 2 comma 3 comma 5? Let me show you. Here you can see why. Because here I write like -5 means like starting 5 has been minus, like 1, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like sorry 1, 2, 3, sorry 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, like that. And I say -1 in the last, please minus the 1. So it helps me minus the 1. If I write here 4, so give me the output should be 3, 4, 5, like that. Here you can see it. So like that you can do it. Now come here. This is called the negative index slicing. Number 3 is skipping elements with step. The step allows you to skip elements. If step is 2, it will pick every other element. Okay, if step is 2, it will pick other elements. Let me show you. First of all, you write here my ratio list equals to 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Then you write here print, and in print you write my list, then ratio 2. Then output should be out. Let me show you what type of output will become. Output will become 0 comma 2 comma 4 comma then 6. This type of will be output will become. Hey, why? Because I write like here ratio 2. if I write here ratio 3, so it give me the output will be 0, 3, 6. Here you can see it. If I write like 0, 0, ratio 4, so it give me 0, 4. Why? Because like 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like if I write here 2, should give me 0 till 2, 4, 5, 6. Here you can see like that, like that. Now this is called the skipping element with step. We are skipping the elements with step. Now number 4 is reserving a sequence. What can it do? It by a setting step to -1, and you can reserve the sequence also. Like that. Let me copy this code and let me paste this code. And what can I do? Let me show you in this code. First of all, you write in my, then less than equals to, in the bracket you write like 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, and then you write here print, and then my list, and then in the square bracket you write like ratio -1, and when you write it, so you write here hashtag output, then in the square bracket you write like single 6, 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. So then erase this code, and then it give you the output will be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Why? Because I write like ratio -1. Why? When you write ratio -1, it will be moving the backward like 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, like that. Okay, this is called the reserving a subsequence. What it called? It's called the reserving a subsequence. Now, number 5 is copying a sequence. To copy a list, you can use a full slice. What you can use? Full slice. Let me show you. When you paste this code, now let me show you how you write it. First of all, you write here my list, then equals to, in the square bracket 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, then 6, and then my copy, my list, then ratio, then print, my, then ratio copy, then hashtag output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, then 6, and then remove this, and then you save it and run it. So it give you 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why? Because I write here ratio. Using this it will be using the full slice. It give you the whole list. It number 5 is called the copying a subsequence. Number 6 is partial sub slicing for strings. Slicing works the same way with strings. Okay, slicing and works with the same way with the strings. Okay, let me show you. Now let me write this code. My string equals to hello, world, and then I write here print my string in the square bracket we write like 5, and then output should be hello. In the single comma you write like hello. So now it give you the output will be hello. Why? Let me show you. First of all, it give me the hello. Why it give me hello? Because the first starting I say ratio 5, like H1, E2, 3, 4, 5. Where that's why. If I write here 6, so it give me hello, then with a comma, hello with comma. Let me show you. Here you can see it. If I write here 8, so it give me hello, then comma, then space, then W. Here you can see it like that. Multi-dimensional slicing. In NumPy arrays and some other libraries, you can slice multi-dimensional structures like this. Copy it and paste it. Okay, this is one code. And when you write here import NumPy as NP, so then I write like arr, then np.array. In this array, I write like here 1, 2, 3. And then comma, and then in the single bracket 4, 5, then 6, and then again comma, then in the square bracket we write like 7, 8, then 9, like that. And then I write like here print arr, then in the square bracket I am writing here ratio 2, 1 ratio. And then here I am writing output should be 2, 3, and then comma, and then 5 comma 6. Then erase this again and then paste it, and for that you must know your nuppy has been installed. So now like that you can do it. So now it give you the output should be 2 comma 3, then comma, then 5 comma 6, like that. Number 8 is slice assessment. Sorry, you can assign values to a slice in list. Okay, like that. Let me show you the code. Let me copy and paste it. So for that I am writing here my, then list, then equals to, then 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, then 6, my list, and then here I am writing 2 5, then equals to 20 comma 30. I am not writing this comment. Okay, and then enter. Then I write like print my will be list. So now it give you the output. Let me show you. Erase this and save it, and it give you the output 0 1 20 35 6. Okay, like that. Why? Because I say 2:5. Okay, that's why it give me 0 1 20 20 35 6. Each topic demonstrates a powerful aspects of Python slicing and can help simplify code in numerous situations. So here you can see in today's video I told you about the powerful slices in Python. So I hope you can enjoy this classic video. So please like this video, share, friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also in our future related videos. So now I'm using next very amazing like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.